Hello students. In my previous video we studied about the analog signal as well as digital signal. Students, I already tell you what is analog signal. That in case of analog signals are sinusoidally varying functions. That means sinusoidal wave is formed in case of analog signal. जैसा कि आप पीपीटी में भी देख सकते हो कि it is a sinusoidal wave. That means the voltages are continuously varying. As I told you in my previous video, you are getting either a 0.2 volt, you are getting either 0.5 volt, either 1.5 volt. That means all types of voltage variations we are getting in case of analog signal. Now let's talk about the digital signal. So in case of digital signal, what we studied, we are getting only two values of voltage variation, either a high value or either a low value. Okay, so when the voltage is very high, then we are getting 0. When the voltage is very low, when the voltage is very high, then we are getting 1. When the voltage is very low, then we are getting 0. So only two values are there. And which signals are suitable for transmission? For communication transmission, the clear signals are digital signal. Now let's proceed with the next one, that is transmitter, receiver and attenuation, and what do you mean by range. So we are going to study this one by one in detail. So students, let's study about the transmitter. A transmitter processes the incoming message signal. Student, transmitter receives the incoming message signal from the information source and make it suitable for transmission. Transmitter make that message suitable for the transmission and it is transmitted through a channel and subsequent reception. Okay, so students, let's talk about this transmission in detail. So what is transmitter? Transmitter is a combination of few devices. Okay, now it is a system itself. So student, as it is a system, what does it contain? Suppose for example, when I bring a voltage variation from a camera, again I repeat, suppose एक example आप ध्यान में रखो. Suppose for example, when I bring a voltage variation from a camera. Okay, so students, that voltage variation is nothing but the signal. Okay, that signal we fed into the system. Okay, so students, that system has various responsibilities to do. What the responsibilities that the system will do? Students, system is converting my signal. Your system is converting the signal, and the signal which is given by you to the system, that signal is nothing but the message signal, and your system convert that message signal into carrier signal. Okay, so student, as system converts your message signal into carrier signal, that means your signal becomes very strong. Okay, so how does we will make it? हम मैसेज सिग्नल को कैरियर सिग्नल हमें बनाना है, लेकिन हम उसको कैसे बनाएंगे? हाउ इट कैन बी मेड? सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस डिवाइस दैट इज ट्रांसमीटर, इट मिक्सेस द टू टाइप्स ऑफ सिग्नल. ये जो ट्रांसमीटर है, ये दो तरह के सिग्नल्स को मिक्स करता है. व्हाट आर दो सिग्नल? द लो फ्रीक्वेंसी मैसेज सिग्नल इज रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम मी, और द लो फ्रीक्वेंसी मैसेज सिग्नल इज रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द इंफॉर्मेशन सोर्स. Then another very high frequency carrier signal. So it is the transmitter, and this transmitter combines these two. ये ट्रांसमीटर क्या करता है? ये दोनों को कंबाइन करता है. अगेन आई रिपीट, व्हाट ट्रांसमीटर कंबाइन? दो तरह के सिग्नल कंबाइन करता है. ध्यान में रखिए या नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. Transmitter can combine the two types of signal. Transmitter can combine either a message signal. That message signal transmitter can get from the information source, and it is a very low frequency signal. Then transmit another very high frequency carrier signal. Okay, so students, in this way transmitter can mix up the two signal. Now this combination is rectified. This combination is amplified, given the strength to it. Now as it is filtered for having only desired frequencies. ये केवल desired frequencies के लिए भी फिल्टर होता है. ओके, इट इज फिल्टर फॉर हैविंग ओनली द डिजायर्ड फ्रीक्वेंसीज. कुछ सिलेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज के लिए ये फिल्ट्रेशन भी होता है. So no other undesired frequencies is taken by the transmitter. For example, it filtered the noise. Noise means what? Unwanted desirable frequencies which are entering through the channel. When all this filtration is done, then a pure carrier wave is ready. देखो हमारे पास ट्रांसमीटर था, ट्रांसमीटर ने क्या किया, दो तरह के सिग्नल्स लिए. पहला सिग्नल कौन सा? मैसेज सिग्नल. दूसरा सिग्नल कौन सा? हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी सिग्नल विच इज नोन एज कैरियर सिग्नल. दोनों को मिक्सअप कर दिया. मिक्सअप करने के बाद इनको फिल्ट्रेशन किया. फिल्ट्रेशन करने के बाद इसमें से कुछ अनवांटेड फ्रीक्वेंसीज जो थे वो इलिमिनेट कर दिए, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल नॉइज. एंड व्हेन ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर डन, देन वी गेट अ प्योर कैरियर वेव. नाउ इट इज रेडी. नाउ इट इज रेडी टू ट्रांसमिट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंटीना. ठीक है, इट इज रेडी, योर सिग्नल इज रेडी टू ट्रांसमिट विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट? एंटीना. सो यू कैन ट्रांसमिट योर सिग्नल्स ऑन द वायर. मैंने एंटीना आपको बोला, लेकिन आप वायर पे भी ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हो. या वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, दैट मीन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंटीना आल्सो you can transmit. So students, this is the function of transmitter. Okay, I think you understood this. What is the function? Transmitter can combine two types of signal: message signal from the information source, and that message signal is combined with the high frequency carrier wave. Now the next one is receiver. What is receiver? First of all, read out the definition. A receiver extracts the desired message signal from the received signal at the channel output. Receiver extracts the desired message signal from the received signal at the channel output. So student, try to understand what is meant by receiver. Again I explain this. When carrier signals of very high frequency, see transmitter ने क्या किया? Message signal carrier signal को mix किया. So when your carrier signals of very high frequency, it contains our low frequency message signal also plus very high frequency carrier wave, and that signal is communicating through the channel. And when that signal reach the receiver, for example, then there is also a device like your mobile, like a radio, like a TV. So what is their function? There is one section in your TV, in your mobile, in your radio. That section is known as receiver. So students, what is the function of this receiver? There are total 4 functions of this receiver. What is the first function? Note it down, short notes. What is the first function? To detect the required frequency. The function of receiver is to detect the required frequency. Again here the question arises, sir, how to detect the required frequency? By resonance. What we can call that resonance? That means tuning of TV. ठीक है, एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे एक लाइव मैच चल रहा है, तो उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे अगर आप आपका टीवी ट्यून करोगे तो क्या होगा? आपको वो मैच दिखाई देगा. दैट मीन्स यू आर going to switch for a particular sports channel. That means you are tuning a particular frequency. Okay, so student, it will draw a current from the desired frequency. Receiver क्या करता है? Receiver can draw a desired current from a particular frequency. All other frequencies are also present there, so it will not draw the current from them. Receiver केवल एक particular frequency से ही current draw करता है. वहाँ पे और अदर फ्रीक्वेंसीज भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं, बट रिसीवर कैन नॉट ड्रॉ द करंट फ्रॉम देम. अभी इसका एक एग्जांपल हम डिस्कस करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, सिम कार्ड इन मोबाइल. स्टूडेंट्स, सिम कार्ड विल ट्यून ओनली विद द पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. For example, in my mobile one SIM card is there, and that SIM card is tuned only with the particular frequency, and that particular frequency is allotted to me by any company. You can take any, either Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, anyhow. So students, company allotted me one frequency, and that frequency, according to that frequency, that SIM card is built up, and that SIM card is in my mobile. For example, my receiver, that means my mobile, it is tuned with that particular frequency whenever it is around. So students, all other frequencies are also around there, but whenever somebody dials my number, my mobile will catch it. So nearer to me so many mobiles are there. Why? For a particular frequency, my mobile is ringing? Because all other frequencies are there and my mobile is going to catch only that frequency. So this is the detection. Now the second part, what is the second function? To amplify the signal. When your signal is traveling from a so far distance, when your signal is traveling from a so far distance, it is weak. It requires some strength. So student, to amplify the weak signal, to give a power to the weak signal, that function is also done by the receiver. Then the next is filtration. Why filtration is needed? To remove the unwanted frequency such as noise. Then the next one is modulation. अगला है हमारा demodulation. So students, separating the carrier wave. Demodulation हमें क्यों करना है? Because we are going to separate the carrier wave, we are going to separate the high frequency waves. How? Students, your carrier wave, it can carry the low frequency message signal. Hence message signal was the one which we want to send. हमें केवल मैसेज सिग्नल भेजना है, कैरियर सिग्नल नहीं भेजना है. ओके, सो द हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी कैरियर वेव विच वॉज अटैच बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लार्ज पावर वी कैन कैरी द मैसेज सिग्नल. हमने क्या किया? हमने कैरियर सिग्नल का एक तरह से हेल्प लिया, उस पर मैसेज सिग्नल माउंट किया एंड वी कैन transmit it. So once it has reached the destination, once it has reached in my mobile or in my TV. Now students, in my TV I don't need the carrier wave, in my mobile I don't need the carrier wave. Carrier wave has to stop there. जैसे for example, suppose for example, if I came by train, the train has thankfully brought to me from Pune to Bhusawal. It does not mean that I will take the train to my house. I have to leave the train to station. Similarly, the high frequency has to came in my mobile. So this high frequency cannot go in my ear. So students, it has to be stopped and that high frequency carrier wave has to be separated. So that high frequency carrier wave, that separation is done by the receiver. So receiver separates high frequency carrier waves and carry out low message signal. Again I repeat, receiver separates the high frequency carrier waves and receiver carry out the low frequency message signal. मतलब जो high frequency का है उसको eliminate करना है और जो low frequency का message signal है उसको carry करना है. So student, this low frequency is again converted with the help of transducer. मतलब जो low frequency signal है उसको स्ट्रेंथ देने का काम फिर से कौन करेगा? ट्रांसड्यूसर करेगा. ओके, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ रिसीवर, इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट वन इज अटेन्यूएशन. So first of all, read out what is attenuation. It is the loss of strength of signal while propagating through the medium. That means when message signal is propagating through the medium, its energy decreases. Again I repeat, when message signal is propagating through the medium, its energy decreases. So how the energy is decreasing? Okay, what happens when energy is decreased? So it is like a damping of oscillation. Okay, how it is? It is just like the damping of oscillation. So students, some part of attenuation we will sort it out with the help of notepad. मस्त गरम झाला एकदम.